That's weird. My phone isn't charging. Maybe there's something wrong with the outlet. I could probably fix that. This is so frustrating. What you need is Southwire's new packaged wire.
With a traditional spool, electrical wire is tightly bound and warped, making usage harder than necessary. But without one, wire naturally takes a looser, slinky-like form that's actually easier to work with. Our innovative wire dispenser, the Hex-Dispense, lets wire stay loose in an easy-to-hold hexagonal shape that naturally straightens as it's pulled. To dispense, hold the packaging at its base with your hand through the strap. Or use a flat surface nearby to stabilize the packaging while the wire is removed. Our simple, color-coordinated labeling system also helps users clearly differentiate different types of wire. To refill, simply turn the packaging around. Remove the lid, feed the wire through the small opening at the top, and place the rest of the coil into the base. Fold the end of the wire over the top of the package to keep it secure. Each Hex-Dispense includes 2 coils, one loaded and one a refill. To minimize unnecessary packaging waste, the refill is placed on the top and secured by the hand strap. Southwire's spool-free packaging rethinks wire dispensing as a reusable tool rather than disposable waste.
Wow, that's so easy.
Don't restrain the wire, understand it. Hex-Dispense.